How to run a World Cafe workshop. The World Cafe workshop is a methodology for facilitating good conversations. It encourages the sharing of ideas in a relaxed and creative atmosphere. When run properly, with the right balance of informality and structure, the World Cafe is a very effective way of facilitating a workshop. It can produce a rich and innovative output for whatever topic you want to explore. To organise and facilitate a World Cafe workshop, follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Create the setting. Firstly, you need to create a special environment. This is most often modelled after a cafe. For example, set up the room with small round tables covered with a tablecloth, preferably that can be drawn or written upon. In addition, you can then add some extra paper and post-it notes, coloured pens, and perhaps even a point of interest such as a vase of flowers. You can also use an optional talking spoon or similar item if you want to control contributions. By agreeing that only people holding the spoon can talk, and by sharing the spoon around equally, everyone gets to contribute without interruption. Ideally, there should be 4 chairs at each table. Although it is possible to have more people at each table, it can become harder to facilitate. Step 2. Welcome and introduction. The overall host or facilitator begins with a warm welcome and an introduction to the World Cafe process. They set the context for the discussion, share the World Cafe etiquette, and put participants at ease. There are 7 points of etiquette to help the workshop run smoothly and effectively. These are: 1. Focus on what matters. 2. Contribute your thinking. 3. Speak your mind and heart. 4. Listen to understand. 5. Link and connect ideas. 6. Listen together for insights and deeper questions. 7. Have fun. Step 3. Small group rounds. The process begins with the first of 3 or more rounds. These can last for 20 to 30 minutes each. Participants are encouraged to write, doodle and draw key ideas on their tablecloths. They can also note ideas on large index cards, post-it notes or placemats in the centre of the group. At the end of the time, the overall facilitator gets each member of the group to move to a different table. They may or may not choose to leave one person as the table host for the next round. Step 4. Questions. Each round is prefaced with a question designed for the specific context and desired purpose of the session. Therefore, the questions or issues that are chosen for each table should genuinely matter to the life, work or community that the participants are engaged in. Consequently, the same questions can be used for more than one round, or new questions can be added to build upon each other, to focus the conversation or guide its direction onwards. Step 5. Harvest. At the harvest stage, individuals are invited to share insights or other results from their conversations. This is done with the rest of the larger group. This can happen at the very end or in between rounds as desired. These whole group conversations help to cross-fertilise ideas. In this way, patterns are identified, collective knowledge grows, and new possibilities for action emerge. So in summary, these are the 5 steps. 1. Create the setting. 2. Introduction and welcome. 3. Move into small group rounds. 4. Set questions. 5. Harvest ideas. The World Cafe method is a great way to bring diversity of thought and creativity to a given question or problem. Whether you are a seasoned facilitator or new to hosting meetings, if you follow this process, you'll ensure a fun and productive meeting. For more detail on the World Cafe, you can go to the organisation's website, which is www.theworldcafe.com. And also for a more detailed explanation of how to facilitate a workshop, and for more information on question technique, listening and communication skills, then follow the links or head to www.therightquestions.co. And if you found this helpful, please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.